Go.
Puppet show.
Sing.
Puppet show.
Ashlyn. Go, Victor.
Puppet show.
All right, go sit down. Okay, go, guys.
This is our show about fire safety.
Gabby, your puppet. I can't see your puppet still.
Check batteries in your show.
Fred, o papel tá aparecendo.
Your smoke detector.
Smoke detector, everything.
Good.
I got a
No
name.
two ways out.
Ashlyn puppet.
It's a no puppet show.
No two ways out of every road.
Puppet show. Puppet show. Puppet show. Puppet show. Practice, stop, drop, and roll. After
Don't
me.
play with matches. Or
Ashlyn puppet.
After me. Puppet show. Puppet.
Don't play with matches or anything that makes fire.
Practice how to call 911.
Plan out a meeting spot.
Ashlyn, your puppet.
Puppet show.
Plan out a meeting spot.
You guys are slackers.
Practice.
Which one is it? What's it start with?
Puppet.
Oh, practice an evacuation plan with your family.
Practice evacuation. Hi. Bye-bye.
All right, good enough. Go ahead, Ash.
With your family.
I need my part. Bro.
Puppet show.
Hey.
Hey,
Plan out a meeting spot.
Puppet show.
All right. Now what?
Puppet show.
We sing the song.
Puppet.
You guys can't even read this song, much less sing it.
Okay.
Just make up a song. Fires suck a lot.
Okay. Fire is not good for you. Puppet show.
Both of you
Fire's not
share.
cool. It's too hot.
Puppet show. Puppet show.
Share the microphone. Stand together.
Puppet show.
Let Gabby have a turn. You go back and forth. So you make up a line, Gabby, and Ashlyn makes up a line. Stand together. So make the first line of the song up, and then Ashlyn makes the second line.
Fire is not good.
Okay, go, Ash.
It is not safe.
And it burns my buns.
Puppet show. Puppet show. Learn puppet show. Puppet show.
Victor, what's your puppet show about?
Puppet show. Puppet show. Puppet show. Fire.
How do you call 911?
Fala assim, com o telefone.
Victor, show me how to dial 911. Give him the phone so he can show me.
Só liga, velho.
Ashlyn, give the phone to Victor so he can show me.
Victor, how do you dial 911?
Dial 9.
I'm gonna make up a song.
Show me how to call 911. Put the phone up to your...
Fire is not safe.
Say hello.
Hello.
This is Victor. It's an emergency.
Mom, I have a little gun.